Using Revolut in the UK is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Revolut is a financial technology company that provides various banking and financial services, including a digital banking app. It is available in the UK along with other regions of the world. You can simply download its app from its official website, or you can click on the register in option and scan the QR code to get the app. After that, open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to sign up for a Revolut account. You will need to provide your personal information and verify your identity. Revolut may require you to provide identification documents to verify your identity. This is a standard procedure for financial institutions. After you've signed up and verified your identity, you can order a physical Revolut card. Revolut offers different card types, including standard, premium, and metal. You can choose the one that suits your needs. You can fund your Revolut account in several ways, including linking your existing bank account or debit card to your Revolut account. You can also transfer money from your other accounts to your Revolut account. Once your account is funded and your card arrives, you can use Revolut for various financial activities in the UK.